headed to Opportunity Barn, right there, to get some tools and such, because we are headed over to Pinequill Hollow Homestead, which is my son's channel. I'm going to help him put a wood stove pipe and wood stove installation. So Trisha's already here with the horses. I'm gonna go inside and grab some material and load up. We got some game cameras that we're giving CJ and his family to help with his channel. They're pretty nice. So he'll have a lot of animal footage, hopefully. Maybe some porcupines.
Don't fight through.
What's that fancy knife holder you got on your waist there, son?
Protect myself from the pine cone.
Is that a Leatherman?
Yeah.
Nice. Pretty nice Leatherman.
For relocating porcupine.
Yeah.
I need a blowtorch or something to melt some of this.
That looks good.
Yeah. You got nails?
I have my self-tappers. Putting the old caulking right to it.
Good, you can delete it now.
No. Trish. Are you giving me the fingers?
Here.
The two hot dog fingers?
The battery's dying. Hold on. I might be able to get this last cut out of it.
Nice. Ooh, I can feel the heat right here. How's it feel?
Feels good in here.
She's burning good.
It's sizzling.
1985 Kent Sherwood.